Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to make a VOX Style collage animation using a camera in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will use only 3 images for create better collage animation like in VOX. So let's close this screenshot and choose business bag. Let's drag and drop into composition and create new background with solid layer, add name background, and OK. Let's move to behind of layer, go to effects presets, search effect fill. Choose fill, let's use for background, and color, let's use color like this, and OK. So choose background, let's Ctrl D for duplicate and change name grid. Also on grid, delete fill. Go to effects presets, search effect grid and use grid from generate folder. Let's use for grid layer. OK. And size form, let's choose here width slider and change slider like this. OK, and border, let's write 3 and opacity, change opacity like this. OK, so in this time go to effects presets, search effect black and white. Choose black and white from color collection section and use business bag image. And we can change some settings here for better results like this. OK, now let's go to text and write here start your own business. Okay, let's click selection tool and hide for now this image. Select this text and move to center. Let's double click and choose this business text and color. Let's change color to yellow. Okay, and for text animate, I will use animation composer. If you have not animation composer, check description now. And let's open animation composer. And text presets. So I will use overshot scale and click in. Let's close window and let's see animation. Okay, that's good. Let's preview. Nice. So in this time, choose this text and turn on 3D layer. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. Okay, now choose this image and enable. Also turn on 3D layer and choose this business bag. Let's move to right here. Let's move to right more. Okay, in this time let's create new camera tool. Right click new and camera. I will use presets 50mm and OK. And for camera control, I will create 3 null objects. Let's first create null object here, change name 1. And let's duplicate with Ctrl D, again Ctrl D, and choose these 3 layers. Turn on 3D layers. And choose camera, let's link to null object 1. Select null object 1, link to null object 2. Select null object 2, link to 3. So I have created 3 null objects for smooth camera movements. And in this time choose null object 1 and also let's select these 3 null objects, hold Ctrl, double click for move the anchor point center and choose null object 1 and press P. Let's go to here, change quality quarter for now for fast working. And let's create new passing keyframe, go to here and let's move to like this. Okay, choose these keyframes and make it easy or click F9. Go to graph editor and choose graph for smooth animation and preview animation. Okay, in this time choose this text and back to keyframes. Let's press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to here and move to like this. Also go to back, hold shift, press S, open scale, create scale keyframe, go to last keyframe and change scale like this and also move to here. Okay, and let's turn on title action save and choose this camera keyframe. Let's move to right a little bit and choose keyframes of text. Make it easy. Let's see. Okay, preview animation. Nice. And choose two position keyframes of text. Go to graph editor and let's make it smooth. Let's see timing. Back to keyframes, choose these two keyframes and move to here. Okay, preview animation. So, not bad. Next, let's choose this null object 1 and go to some keyframes. Let's create new passing keyframe and go to 5 keyframes and move to the left. And back to project, choose this building, drag and drop into composition and turn on 3D layer and move to here. Let's move to like this. Okay, let's see timing. Okay, choose keyframes, go to graph editor and for smooth animation, choose this first keyframe and make it smooth. Preview animation. Okay, now back to keyframes and select this business image, back to FX control, choose black and white, let's copy and back to building, Ctrl V for paste black and white effects. And now let's change these settings for little bit to black. Okay, and choose this text, let's Ctrl D and move to up. Also move to right this text and press U. Let's go to back and remove all of them keyframes. Okay, and let's move to right and change this font size. Okay, and let's edit right here, be productive. Okay, let's choose this productive text and change color yellow. Okay, and let's move to like this and press P, move to behind of this building. So we can change this text font size and let's move to like this. Okay, not bad. Let's see. Nice. And in this time, choose this null object 2, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to here and let's zoom to like this. Move to up and move to here. Okay, choose keyframes and make it easy. Let's move to right and go to graph editor. Make graph smooth. Okay, choose this first keyframe and move to here. Nice, and now we can use clouds. Back to project, choose these clouds and let's first choose cloud 2, drag and drop into composition and turn on 3D layer and move to here. Press S, change scale. Okay. Not bad. Let's put here, change scale more. Okay, and cloud 3, let's drag and drop here. Turn on 3D layer and move to like this, change scale. Okay, not bad. And cloud 4, move to like this, press S, change scale, and move to like this. Let's change font size a little bit. And choose this cloud 3, press P and move to behind of this building. And cloud 4. Okay, not bad. And in this time, choose these clouds. Let's press P and create new path in keyframe. Go to here, 15 seconds, and let's animate a little bit. And this. Okay, and preview animation. Okay, not bad. So in this time, choose this controller 3, press P, and let's create new path in keyframe and go to 9 seconds and move to up like this. And choose keyframes, make it easy and choose work area. Let's see. Okay, so let me show you these 3 null objects. This is my object 2 and we have 2 keyframes here. And null object starting first animation keyframe here, and here is the results. We have smooth camera animation like this. Very good. Also go to graph editor and we can make it graph like this. Nice. Let's move to left. Okay, perfect. So back to keyframes and add here airplane. Let's drag and drop into composition and turn on 3D layer. Let's move to center. Okay, and press P. Let's move to back and move to here this layer. Okay, in this time, let's go to here. Let's move to left and press P. Let's create new path in keyframe and move to left. And go to some keyframes and move to right. Okay, we can move to up this airplane. Nice. And choose keyframes, make it easy, go to graph editor and let's make graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes and let's move to back. Move to back more. Nice. In this time, let's make airplane animation. Choose these, all of them clouds. Let's drag and drop into composition and change colors red. And turn on 3D layers, press S, change scales, and move to here. So let's move to right. And let's close these settings. First, choose this cloud 2, or let's cloud 7. Move to here. This is my first cloud. Okay, and go to layer, new and null object. And let's move the anchor point center and change name cloud animation. And choose these all clouds, link to cloud animation null object. Choose null object, press P. And create new path in keyframe and go to 15 seconds and move to left all of them clouds. Okay, and change clouds, these durations. And first keyframe, let's choose and move to right. Okay, so in this time, choose this cloud 7. Let's move to here and this cloud, move to up like this. And this cloud, let's put here, and this, move to down. and cloud 3 and cloud 2. Okay, let's see. So not bad. We can add some clouds here. Let's Control D and move to up. Also Control D, move to down. Okay, perfect. And for better clouds animation, we can add randomly clouds. Let's choose this cloud and move it up like this for random views. Okay, that's good. And also don't forget to choose this last cloud here, cloud 3 or cloud 4. Okay, and press P, create new passing keyframe, go to here and move it down and remove last keyframe. Nice. So let's see full animation. Okay, this first scene and next transition and airplane. Nice. But we have one problem: background grids not moving. Let's fix it. Go to first second and turn off title action save and go to effects presses, search effect CC Reptile and use for grid and choose grid, press P and let's see timing and choose null 1, press U, let's see timing keyframes and create grid new passing keyframe and go to here. Let's move to left and change expand right for endless background grid. Choose keyframes, make it easy and let's see. Nice, not bad. So let's see next movements. Go to here and let's move to left. This, let's see. Choose work area. Nice. And choose this null object 2, press U. And go to here. Let's move to down this grid. And FX control, change expand up. Also expand right. Okay, that's good. Preview animation. Okay, that's good. So, for finally choose this null object 3, press U and go to here and choose grid, move to left and change expand right. Let's choose this work area, only airplane part. Nice. And choose this keyframe, move to right. Okay, that's good. Now we can feel airplane flying. So let's choose screen and dust, drag and drop into compensation. Let's move it up. And turn off audio and right click, go to transform, fit to comp. And click toggle switch mods, go to mod and add. Let's see. Nice. This is dust. Let's see single. Okay, and this screen. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.